Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a sheet with external users in Smartsheet. For example, those users doesn't have any Smartsheet account. Okay, that's possible as well. So all you need to do is open up your Smartsheet account and find the specific sheet. For example, under your workspace, click on your workspace, wait for it to open, and just find the sheet. Okay, for example, this one, I've got here the source sheet. Okay, source is the name of the sheet. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on share. And as you can see here, it says two options, okay, sheet or workspace. Now if you click on workspace, everything right here will be accessible to people who got the link. Now sheet right here, if you click on this option, people who got the link will be able to access only the specific sheet, okay? So click on sheet right here, and then you can go ahead and write down the emails manually, okay, and add and customize the message. Or you can just go ahead and straight up copy the link and then paste this link to the person who needs it. Now you could also change the default view options in here, like you can show it automatically as grid, card, Gantt, and some other options. And by the way, if you just copy the link from here, well, the person who can access the sheet must have a Smartsheet account, okay? If you want other people to view this without a Smartsheet account, first up, publish the specific sheet, okay? Click on publish, and as you can see here, it needs an upgrade, okay, or a license. Now, if you don't have the licensed Smartsheet account, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to have this option, okay? Here you have it. We have read-only and read-only full, edit by anyone as well, okay? So whenever you turn a slider on, after that, there'll be a given link right here below that. Okay, just copy it and send it to whoever you want. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.